Baby, I need money.
I don't have money.
What do you mean you don't have money? Every time you don't have money.
I don't have now.
So why are you so useless?
No, come back here. For the past few days, you leave this house and return anytime you like. Where do you always go to? Funny enough, whenever you come back, you dash me money. How do you get this money? Where do you get this money from?
Since you refused to give me money, I decided to hustle. All I did was to visit the website www.codedruns.com. I registered and I became an escort to a man, and I've been making money. You can also register and become an escort to either a man or a woman and make good cash and buy good things for yourself. And if you don't mind, please excuse me.
Hey! Vivian, where are you going to?
Oh, my client just came, so I'm going out now.
Hey! Come back here. Yeah!